Fish all day, love all night, saltwater kisses and a key lime pie. Jumper on a hook, man, he's putting up a fight like a Hemingway book done come to life. Catch a little sunshine, medication, little maritime meditation. That sunny brick sitting in the slips, real ready to ride. Fish all day, love all night, yeah. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And if you have other songs you want to learn, let me know in the comments and I'll get to it. This is a song that was requested, and you guys know I'm more than happy to oblige. So I just love Brian Kelley's stuff. Like, I love Florida Georgia Line, and I know that's sometimes not popular to say, but I also really just love Brian Kelley. So his stuff's super good. So this song is tuned to half step down, okay? That's why I use this brown guitar. My black one is usually in standard, and then this one is a half step down. So it's a half step down, no capo. You're just going to use a handful of chords, and the strumming pattern is the same throughout the song. I'm going to show you what you do for the intro, the first verse, the chorus, and then the bridge. The bridge is a little bit different, so stick with me until the end. So what you're gonna play G. I play this G because you're gonna switch from D to G, and it's easier to go from D to G like that than to go from D to G like that. You still can do it with just your pinky one down here like that, but I don't think it's just harder to do for a lot of beginners. So so you're gonna do G, right? You're also gonna do C. Now, to be fair, going from this G to C is way easier, so it's up to you. G, C, A minor, and then you're gonna do D. You can probably already hear it. All right, so the way the song starts is with G, G, C with no lyrics, A minor, D. And then you go to the G and you start with the lyrics, okay? So the strumming pattern for that, and I'm gonna tell you, the strumming pattern, you can do the same thing the whole song if you want, okay? I'm gonna tell you a couple little tips you can do to make it sound better. But so the strumming pattern is just gonna be down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay? So it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, okay? Down, down, up, down, just like that. All right? Now, so the way you're gonna play it, when you play the intro, you'll play it louder like that, and then when you go to the verse, you're gonna play it softer. And what I would do is I would play it softer, but I'd also mainly play from D down, but like D, and then really like G, B, and a little E down, okay? So you're gonna play it like, so take a note from the snowbirds. So you do G on take a note from the snowbirds, take the boat down south where the coast turns, adios. I think you might say adios, but I love saying adios anyway. So anyway, adios. All right, adios is A minor. So you do G on take a note from the snowbirds, take the boat. Okay, boat is C. Boat see, take the boat down south where the coast turns, adios. So you do adios on A minor, A minor on adios, adios. 56 are on a fast track, tangled up. And then up, you're gonna do D, tangled up, like a prop in a crab trap. Anchor up. Then you go anchor up, he's gonna go do up is A minor, anchor up this hacienda, only thing. Then thing is D. So you were doing G, C, A minor, D, and then you do A minor, D. So only thing on our agenda. Okay, so then you can like let it ring out. Because when you go to the chorus, you're not going to play anything for the first 2 words. You're going to do fish all day. And so then you play G is day. And so this is where you're going to play all the strings and play it louder. Fish all day, love all night, saltwater kisses. So kisses is C. Kisses and a key lime pie. Jumper on a hook. Hook is A minor. Hook, keep putting up a fight like a Hemingway book. Book is D. book done come to life. Catch a little sun. So sun is G. Sunshine, medication, little maritime. So mare of maritime is C. Maritime, meditation, little sunny. So sunny is A minor. Sunny bricks sitting in the slips, real ready to ride. So ride is C. Ride, fish all day, and day is D. Day, love all night. All right, and night is G. And when you do that, all right, then you're gonna go into the second verse, and you play this. So you play it like this: fish all day, love all night. All right, then just play it a couple times, and then you're gonna go into the second verse. Get the life we all maxed out, ice and down. Okay, so then you're just gonna go right into the second verse. Then you go into that second chorus. Now the bridge, the difference here is the bridge is just A minor and D. So you're gonna do loving this life, living by the weather, rain or shine or rum, whatever. So you do loving this life. You could even slow it down and do single strums if you want. Loving this life, living by the weather, rain or shine. And shine is where you play D. Shine or rum, whatever. Okay, just like that. So, living this life, living by the weather, rain or shine or rum, whatever. Fish all day, love all night. Okay, so the beginning of the last chorus, I play it a little bit softer. If you want to do it more like he does on the album, that's how you would do it. This is not the exact way to play it like he does on the album, but it's pretty close. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. That's how you play it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.